Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
In the municipality reservation writ petitions filed by different parties, the arguments are concluded now and the orders are reserved by the High Court. We have argued before the High Court that at this stage there is no question of interference. Once the elections were imminent, the court could not have interfered at any rate. Our contention is based on certain Supreme Court judgment saying that it is the first democratic principle that the election should be held at the earliest so that people can have their representatives in the respective local bodies. So therefore, relying upon certain constitution bench judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court, we have argued that the court should not interfere in the election process at this stage, which will delay the elections and which will deny the people of their right to have their representatives in the local bodies.
मजगती पणजे महापालिका आरक्षणाकूय आव्हान. वॉर्ड नंबर 10 delimitation आणि रिझर्वेशन सारखे ना म्हणून हायकोर्टात आव्हान याचिका पावल्या. सुनावणी 3 मार्चाक.
A new petition has been filed in respect of CCP elections on the ground that the delimitation that is done by the director is not proper, and on the ground that the election commission has carried out exercise of reservation that is also not proper. These are the two grounds which are urged, and the matter is now fixed in the next week on Wednesday for the purpose of filing affidavit on behalf of the election commission and on behalf of the director.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.